Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off the sensitive chat filter in Among Us. So to do this, first make sure that your Among Us application is up to date, and you can ensure this by opening your Play Store or App Store according to your device, search for Among Us and click on Update. After that, you need to open the game settings. The settings option is in the left-hand side of the screen, that is between My Account and Credits. Go ahead and select Settings, and here you'll get three different sections of General, Graphics, and Data. And instead of Sensitive Chat, you'll get the option of Censor Chat. Go ahead and click on that option to turn it off, and that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.